Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the rough day today. To be fair, the markets as a whole had rough days, so it's not like the markets were booming and then Apple had this sort of day, but very bearish, and updates need to be made. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just delete those lines out. Sure, they pertain. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere I look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible moving forward. But one of the newest areas of support that a lot of people are going to be watching moving forward, and rightfully so, it's a relatively historic level, is right down here at $120.85. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see this area acted as a resistance right there. And there's a foundational rule in chart which states when levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support, and that's exactly what happened there. Acted as support, and then exactly what happened later on in the day today, acted as support. So does that mean that 120.85 is guaranteed to hold? Nothing's guaranteed. I'm just saying that that's definitely going to be a very watched level and a very important area of support. Now, if that level does not hold up, the next level of support that it will be very watched is going to be that pink line there. And the reason why it's going to be very watched is that pink line represents a very well-known, a very famous level in the world of charts, the 200-period moving average. Even if you have a basic understanding of technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period moving average before. And that is what that, again, the pink line is representing. Current value of that is, let's just call it the $120 mark. So 120.85 and then 120 going to be the key levels of support. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to just turn itself around and work its way back upwards, key area of resistance at that point is going to be all about that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at $123.50. So watch that. But as of now, in my opinion at least, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's more so about trying to stabilize out here. So let's see if the price can at least start to get some sideways price movement moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.